Good morning, this is Dr. Schneider at the Ozark Chiropractic Clinic coming to you. It's a nice beautiful January morning. We got some sun and no ice and snow this week. A little warmer temps, so hopefully February will be a little kinder to us too. We'll just have to wait and see. But today I want to talk about something that my staff brought to my attention. Is sometimes patients, especially our older patients, will hesitate getting care because they think, well, maybe they're too old or there's something that can't be done for them. And that's no on both answers to that is no. It doesn't matter what age you are in chiropractic. That's the great thing about this profession. We can treat you from a baby is born to your 90s and plus or wherever. So there's no age limitation, okay? There's things we may do differently too, depending on you and your body and how old you are, but you can be taken care of. And then to always have that idea that there's nothing that can be done for me, I'm sort of stuck with this. That's so incorrect. I've run into patients who have been the MDs, and we're not going to knock them, but they're limited what they can do with musculoskeletal, back pain, neck pain, that kind of stuff, things that we take care of on a daily basis. If there's no surgery or drugs, their options are done. The drugs do you a temporary little fix, makes you feel better, but you got to keep taking them, and then they also have great effects upon the rest of the body, which you don't want. So that's a limitation there. But chiropractic can do so much more for you. It can help revitalize your life, get your energy back, help you with your sleeping, because it's all about quality of life. What we want to do is improve your quality of life, especially as we get older. And I'm reaching that stage myself. I'm 62 years old and such. So I'm feeling things and I know things. I can't do what I used to, but I still want to go and I still want to do. And most all patients want the same thing. They want to be able to get out and play with their grandkids possibly. They want to be able to still work in the yard and garden, and if they have hobbies, golf, whatever. Take care of their house and be able to sleep. Those are things that we can help you get. Am I going to make your body brand new again like you were, 40 years old or something? No, I wish I could, but that's not going to happen. But we certainly can improve it, and we can help improve your quality of life. And that's the main thing. So don't get to the notion you had that I'm too old, there's nothing can be done for me. Yes, there can. We can modify, we can change how we do things, but there's always options that will help you. I feel very strongly about that. And the best way to find out is to come in and do a consultation. There is no charge to sit down with me initially for 5 to 10 minutes. Tell me a bit what's going on. We're going to listen and see, yes, can we help you? If so, then I'll suggest, okay, we're going to go forward with an exam and x-rays. Then we'll go from there and then see what we can put together to help you out. But at least it's something you can go have somebody listen to you, see what feedback you get and what options you've got. It's the same thing when you're younger too. Don't hesitate and put things off thinking, it's going to go away or I'll get over it, that kind of thing, because those are how problems start, so that when you do reach my age, you have more problems. Take care of things now when you're younger. You've only got that one body. Yes, they can replace parts and things in there, we know, but which is pretty amazing, but it's never as good as the original stuff. And there's always little problems and things that pop up, it seems, on patients who have replacements, etc. So that's something, let's avoid that. So take care of yourselves. If you have questions, you ever want to come in for that consult, call us at 479-667-5053. Check out our website, ozarkchiropractic.com. Like us on Facebook, all that good stuff. But until then, I want to thank you guys always for being a part of our practice and letting us help you. And just wish you a great day and have a good rest of your week. Thank you very much.